If you don't like surprises but still use the web, then pay attention to this. Discovered in 2024, the 0.0.0.0 vulnerability is a critical flaw affecting major browsers like Chrome, Safari, and Firefox. So, how does it work? This vulnerability exploits how browsers handle the special IP address 0.0.0.0, which typically represents all network interfaces. Malicious websites use this loophole to send requests, and your browser might forward them to your local networks. Scary, right? The impact? Serious consequences like data theft, malware installation, and even remote code execution. Imagine attackers executing malicious code on your device, stealing sensitive information, or compromising your network. But don't panic just yet. Browser vendors are working on patches, but in the meantime, here's how you can protect yourself. First, keep your browser updated. Second, be cautious of suspicious websites. And finally, use strong security practices like firewalls, antivirus software, and strong passwords. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep your digital world secure.